This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I'm thrilled to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, I'm going to go over another finger picking pattern that works really well for 4/4 time. We'll work on this pattern a little bit together, and then of course we'll jam on a couple songs using this pattern. And when I say jam on those songs, I mean you, me, and the band are going to play those songs, so it's going to be great. This video does accompany Lesson 10 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 Method book. In that book, we'll be starting on pages 64 and 65. This is finger picking pattern number 15 there on page 64. All right, per our usual, we'll go ahead and learn this pattern using the E minor chord because we don't have to worry about placing our left hand on the fingers, as we won't be plucking the strings that we press down with our left hand fingers. Our thumb will pluck that low 6th string, that's our bass note for the E minor chord, and then we'll be in standard positioning. So index plucks the 3rd, middle plucks the 2nd, and ring plucks the high string. With this one, the middle and ring fingers, the M and A fingers, are found over the same rhythmic fingers, so actually going to pluck those at the same time. So this one goes thumb, index, middle and ring, index, and then it does it again on the second half. So P, I, M, A, I, P, I, M, A, I. Demonstrate it just a little bit faster. We'd have ready and so this is a fun pattern. Once you kind of get it down and you're used to it with that E minor chord, it's a great idea, of course, to practice it with various chord progressions. We've got the 7 progressions there on page 65. Those are excellent ones to use. We're going to be playing the songs that we're playing here in this video in the key of D major. So we'll just go ahead and practice a little bit with some of the main chords from D major. So the D chord, and then the G chord, and then we'll practice with an A7. You could do it with an A as well, but I'm going to use A7, and then we'll come back to D. So we'll do just in that order, 1 measure per chord. We'd have 1 and 2 and ready and go and... we can take it a little bit faster. We'd have ready and... just like that. You can practice that sort of thing at many different tempos until you feel really comfortable with this pattern. Now this pattern works for 4/4 time when you have 1 chord per measure. It also works really well when you have 2 chords per measure because we have that thumb pluck on beat 1 and beat 3. So it really facilitates when we have 2 chords per measure. So if we took the same thing that we were just doing and gave each one of those chords half a measure, we'd have like D to G to A7 to D. So if we do that together, we'd have ready and... Of course, we could do it faster, and we'd have ready and... like that. One of the songs that we're going to play is going to have places where there are 2 chords per measure, so this finger picking pattern works great in that scenario, as well as situations where we have 1 chord per measure. Alright, so you could practice those kinds of things with the chord progressions there on page 65, or with the little exercise that we created, that sort of thing, as much as you'd like to. Here in the video, we're going to go ahead and jam together on these 2 songs. So the first one we're going to do uses the chord progression number 3, from page 65. So that one will be first, and then we'll go over to page 27 and play song number 8. So those 2 songs are the ones we're going to be jamming on. Of course, that'll be written up here on the board, so you'll know which song, what page, what number, where to find those, and what tempo we're playing it at. So each one will happen at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and a faster tempo. It's going to be great. Let's go ahead and play these songs together. Okay, fantastic. I hope you're having fun with this. In the next video that goes with lesson 10, we're going to work on finger picking pattern number 16, which will be awesome. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.